Uh, this is the team RV Brains. We have implemented a piece of traffic controller. We have two main modules. One is the basic piece of module and the sensor module. In the sensor module, we have used light sensors, and these are the light receivers. And this is an LM324 comparator. This can be used with the piece of to give the intensity of the traffic. Here in this PSOC module, we are using CY8C27643 module for our implementation. There are 8 LEDs which we are using. These two LEDs are depicts the north road. There are 4 roads in our implementation. This is the north road, east, south, and west road. Each of our roads have two sensors, namely N1, N2, S1, S2, W1, W2. For all the sensors, like N. There are two sensors, N1, N2, E1, E2, S1, S2, W1, W2 for each of the 4 roads, north, east, south, and west. These LEDs, if both the LEDs are on the north road, both will glow, depicting the higher intensity of the traffic. Only if one of the LED is high, the traffic is very less. If both the LEDs are not high, the traffic is not present.
The input ports being used are all using pull-up resistors. So when the input is grounded, then the LEDs glow. First, the techniques used in this are round-robin techniques. Depending on the flow of the traffic, either one sensor or both the sensors get affected. So when one of the sensors get affected, only one of the LEDs glow. This suggests that the amount of traffic is less, and so the traffic is generally less. When both the sensors glow, it means the traffic is extremely high. Similarly, only one sensor is glowing here, which again suggests that the traffic is low on this road. When both the sensors don't show any value, that means that the traffic is least on the road. Each LED signifies the amount of traffic on the road. Now when both the LEDs are glowing, it means there is maximum traffic on the road. So each LED, this is the north, this is the east, this is the south, and this is the west. Each of the LEDs represent a particular module. The LEDs represent the module of traffic along this side of the road. This represents the east side of the road. When connected to the module flowing on that particular traffic, we can control the traffic on the road.
By seeing the LEDs, we can come to know the amount of traffic present at each road. The LEDs show that the intensity of the traffic, and this can be used as input to control the duration of the green signal to that road. Therefore, an effective adaptive traffic control can be implemented using our piece of traffic controller. This is Team RV Brains. Thank you.